How do? We are at our second site, which is Les Ormes Domain Resort. We've actually been here for a couple of days. I've not picked the camera up. We've just been getting ourselves set up and getting used to the site. We came here about 5 years ago, I think, 4 or 5 years ago, and we liked it then. We booked it because there were things for Molly to do. Obviously we should have been coming 3 years ago, and Molly's now 3 years older than what she would have been, so she's not that interested in some of the clubs that are on, but nevertheless there's still lots for her to do. She's found some friends from the Netherlands, and she's in the pool today and all that around there. So me and Angela just chilling out at the van, sitting in the sun. I've just come in for a little bit of shade. I'll just show you the setup we've got here. As always with our pitches, we always go fully serviced, and these here are called premium, I think they're called premium plus pitches. So I'll just show you the pitch. In the distance there you can see the chateau. So we're in a walled, you can see the walls going round area, and there are roughly 11 pitches on this site here. That's for sitting in when we're eating, then we don't get eaten by bugs. That's the van. We've just got the canopy up, got the seats out. We have a shed over there that has a fridge freezer in there, some furniture in there, and a barbecue, which we've not used. We use the fridge freezer. The electric hookup is 16 amp, but it's on the adapter, normal polarity, water hookup, and then drain off. The beauty of this one is that the fridge vents are always in the shade, so that helps, and the bottle's in the shade so the water's a little bit cooler. Just above there you can see the roof, that's the toilet block. Just go back round, so it's quite a big pitch. It's yeah, a nice lovely pitch. You can see it's not been raining for a while here. The grass is, well, it's not grass basically, so that's the pitch. I'll probably do a separate video of the site to give you an idea of what that's like, but it is a massive site. It's part of the Castles group, and it's so it's your camp and canvas holidays book here as well. So yeah, it's a cracking site. Yeah. Right, see you later. Right, it's Sunday morning and we're having a walk into, I'm just walking backwards because the sun's over there, into St Leonard, which is not far away from the site. It's about, I don't know, a 20-minute walk, 15-20 minute. Down this path here you can see some buildings and looks like a church, but there's a Sunday market on, so we're going to walk down there and have a look around. So that's where we were, and we've walked just down here to St Leonard here. Very small village, very small market. Yeah, nice little church over the road there. Might go and have a look at that. The roof looks amazing. Yeah, nice little village. Not a great deal to see, but down there is the market. Not many stalls. There's a bar, a restaurant down there. It looks quite nice. That's a confessional. I've been in one of them a few times. Well, that was a quick walk to St Leonard, just at the side. Nice little village. Not a big market. But yeah, it was alright. Nice walk, 20 minutes here. Nice day, 20 minutes back. Let's get back to the site and get sat in that sun. Morning. Today it's Monday. We are off to Mont Saint Michel. I like to call it Jean-Michel Jarre. We've been there before. We just thought we'd like to go again because it's quite nice. Top tip is we've booked tickets online, so we don't have to queue when we get there. You can just rock up and then pay when you get there and queue, but we've got the express tickets or something, so we can just jump straight to the front and get in, hopefully. So we'll set off. It's about, looking at the sat nav, it's about half an hour away from here. Let's go. Looks pretty impressive. Let's get inside and see what's going on. So you need to book to come here because they're queuing all the way down the stairs, and we've just walked past them all because we've booked. So you can get fast lane tickets into the Abbey. A lot of steps. In we go. I'm not you.
I didn't say you were.
Nice floor. It's got a big fireplace. They always exit through a gift shop and try and fleece you. They ain't getting no money off me. Right, let's go down the staircase. I'm in trouble because Molly's just told me that beach is French for wife, and I've just been shouting it across this thing, but never mind.
Well, what possessed you to think beach was actually wife?
Well, that's what Molly told me, so I was shouting it. Nice spiral staircase. Could have one of these in our house, but we haven't got anywhere for it to go. So we can have one of these in our house, but we've got nowhere for it to go. Mont Saint Michel, absolutely stupidly busy, and there's droves of people coming in. It's not easy to walk up, so if you struggle to walk, I wouldn't go in there at all, but it's okay. Been there for a couple of hours, I think. Well, not actually, an hour and a half, it's enough, and then you've got to walk back through these droves of people, but there is a bus that takes you back to the car parking, which we're probably going to get on because it's around about 34 degrees at the moment. It's like a driving seat there, and he gets out now, watch, and puts his mirror in, locks the door, and then he walks inside the bus and gets in the other driving seat, which is there. So it's a double-ended bus. How cool is that? I think this is a good game. It's called Try and Remember Where the Car Is. And we can't. We think it's down here. But anyway, that's Mont Saint Michel done. I think that concludes this second bit maybe. I'll see you soon. Morning or afternoon just. The plan was to go to St Malo, but we went and it's absolutely chock-a-block. We could not find a parking space. So we've come to Dol de Bretagne, which is actually the village, the town. What? My French is awesome. That's closest to the site, so we're going to have a little walk around here, see what it's like. Yeah, it's quite an old church cathedral. Oh, right, there you go. As I said, it's one of the oldest cathedrals in France. See if we can get inside it and have a look. Apparently this started off in the 6th century. I think that's quite a few years ago. Lovely village. Well, we are just over a week and a bit into our holiday, and what am I thinking so far? Yeah, it's good. We all come over here for hope of warm weather, and it is warm. It's currently sat in the car here. So I'm sat in the car with the air conditioning on. It's 36 degrees, it's actually about 37 degrees, and that is fucking warm for me. I'm going to go in the pool, sit in there for an hour, and then an hour or so, and then see what it's like. It seems to get hotter as the day goes on. Yesterday it went to 40 degrees in the van. It was just too warm, and then it cools down about 8 o'clock ish. A couple of shouts out, met some subscribers while we're here. Maria, Charles and Charlotte, we met them. They're from Sheffield, and we had a good chat with them. And then I met Adam the other night. He was only here for a couple of nights. He was on a pitch near me, so yeah, hello and thanks to them for subscribing and watching the channel. But yeah, it's all this way and you meet subscribers. It's quite weird, but no, that was nice to catch up with a few of them. So we're going to go off into the pool and chill out, and then take it from there. So we'll see you later. Bye bye.